Hi, I'm Rafael Colmenares, one of the AI engineers here at Imajing. In our research team, we specialize in building smart solutions for infrastructure management. And today, I'm very excited to show you one of them, our new automated pavement condition assessment system, which is a tool to provide a detailed and very accurate road evaluation. And of course, we can use, for example, small devices like this one, and no matter which vehicle. The fact is that traditional road evaluation is often very slow, manual, and subject to interpretation. So we came up with a solution that using only imagery, we can evaluate through a whole automated process the road condition, making it faster and also more accurate. We use a deep learning model for semantic segmentation that detects and also classifies every degradation in every image. Once this phase is finished, we consolidate all these degradations in a 3D space and deliver them in a format that can be used for GIS applications. Here we are in our cloud platform, ImageNet, and we can see all the degradation that our system detected automatically. We can see, for example, longitudinal cracks. Also, we can see here a crocodile cracking and also some transversal cracks. And if we switch to the Gradio interface, we can see also the result of our scoring algorithm, which is going to give a criticity level depending of the condition of the road in different parts of the trajectory. So this is a major advancement for infrastructure management because it's a system that is very fast, scalable, and it automates the whole process of road condition evaluation.